Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find the payment calculator option on the Zillow application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then go to your home page, and after that tap on this more button that you can find down below on the right side of the screen. After that, go to the home loans and refinancing section. So you should scroll down a bit and then click on the payment calculator option, which is the third one within this section. So here you can indicate the price in this slide, and it will appear in the in this circle as well, or in this chart as well at the top. And you can also set the down payment on this slide, and here you can see it calculated. Here as you slide to the right side you can see the amortization table. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.